Okay, we're going to take a look at 3 problems here, and you got 2 problems to do. These are a little bit more complex than what you were just doing. So again, it takes 8 minutes to wash 1 car. Now it takes a friend 6 minutes to wash 1 car. How long does it take us to wash 7 cars working together? So there's the minutes, assuming we both keep up at that pace. That's always assuming that stays. Okay, so we have minutes and cars. So X is minutes, Y is cars. So cars per minute. Cars per minute is unknown at this time, okay? Never tells me that. Now, so I make table, but I'm going to make 2 of them, okay? Because why? Because, well, there's 2 people, me and a friend, okay? So minutes, cars, okay? Now, since we don't have the cars per minute, the 0, 1, 2 is out the window. We don't worry about that. Okay, so I know we got 8 minutes, 1 car. Now, my buddy, 6 minutes, 1 car. Now, together we have 7 cars, but that's together, so don't put that on either table. Put it in between. 7 cars. Now think about it. 0 minutes, I'd get 0 cars washed, and so would he. Okay, it's like going through a story. So it's proportion. We are going to use proportions, but since there are 2 tables, we need to add a 3rd ratio into our proportion. Okay? So minutes goes on the bottom, all 3 of them. Cars goes on the top. So you got 1 car in 8 minutes, okay? You got 1 car in 6 minutes, and then together you have 7 cars. X minutes. Now you got 7 over X over here. What am I going to have over here? Well, go to like a calculator somewhere. I mean, you can do 1/8. If you have one like this, you do 1/8 plus 1/6 using the ABC key. Or you can simply, if you don't have a calculator that does that, you simply look up fraction calculator on your phone or whatnot. First one come up, and you want to add 1/8 plus 1/6. Okay, just find something that does that. It's real easy, okay? 7 over 24 with a phone or what, computer at your disposal. So I add these, I got 7/24. Now I cross multiply and divide. Well, 7 and 7, that should be 24, okay? Let's see if 24 times 7 divided by 7 is 24. Yeah, 24 minutes. Okay? That's how long it would take us together. Okay, next one. Charles is making pottery for a craft fair. It takes him 50 minutes to construct 1 piece of pottery. It takes his wife 35 minutes to construct 1 piece of pottery. How long will it take them to construct 35 pieces of pottery if they work together? So I'm finding the minutes. Okay? So we have minutes and pieces. Those are the 2 units we have. Okay, so the X variable is the minutes, Y is pieces. So per pieces per minute. We don't really have that information, so I should then not make the line. Okay, I want to make tables, but again, there's 2 of them. 1 for Charles, 1 for his wife. So X is minutes. Y is pieces. Minutes, pieces. Okay, well again, want to block off the top. We'll come back up there, okay? So we know for Charles we have 50 minutes to do 1 piece. For his wife, 35 minutes to do 1 piece. Now 0 minutes results in 0 pieces, same over here. So that means we have a proportion. Whenever I don't have that when I don't have anything at the beginning to worry about with my y, that frees me up to set up proportions. So minutes, but you have two tables, so again we have to add that third one into the math, okay? So pieces. One piece, 50 minutes. One piece, 35 minutes. And then remember that 35 pieces right there, not the 35 minutes, but the 35 pieces is what they're going to do together, okay? 35x, so 35 over x. Then I add those together. So 1/50th plus 1/35th is 17 over 350. And now I cross multiply and divide. I'm going to take 350 times 35 divided by 17. Okay. Okay, I get that. Just go 721. Okay. Long time, but you got to understand that 35 pieces, if it's taking 50 minutes just to do one, 721, that's working together, so that's a long time. Okay, and then the last one, you got a little problem that you're going to have to fix. It's not hard to fix, but you got to pay attention after you add the fractions. You can type 7 pages in 2 hours. Your classmates can type 8 pages in 3 hours. If you have 2 computers and can work at the same time, how long will it take the 2 of you to type 37 pages? Okay. Okay, minutes. What I'm trying to fix. Wait a second, I screwed that up. That should say hours. Okay. I'll fix it so you have it fixed. So hours. Okay, so we have pages, we have hours. X is hours, Y is pages. So per pages per hour. Again, we really don't have the pages per hour, so I go up and make a couple tables. I need 2 of them because there's 2 people. So hours is X, pages is Y. Okay, so what do we know about one person? Well, they can do 7 pages in 2 hours. Okay, the other person can do 8 pages in 3 hours. Now, the 37 pages is what they have to get done together. Now, if I work for 0 hours, that's 0 pages, and that's the same with this person here. Okay, so having nothing but zeros at the beginning of the table means we have a proportion. Okay, it's proportional. So hours, pages, but again I have to add a ratio over here because we have 2 tables. So 7 pages in 2 hours, okay? 8 pages in 3 hours, 37 pages, X hours. Now here's where this changes a little bit. You got to make a little fix. If I had 7 over 2 plus 8 over 3, here's what happens, okay? You get a mixed number. You get 6 and 1/6. Well, you can't, that's not really a ratio, okay? So write that over here. Now, that 6 goes on the bottom. Okay, you know that, but to find your top, you need to take your whole number times your bottom and add the top to it. Okay, so 6 times 6 plus 1. Okay, well, the whole number times bottom 6 plus 1 is 36, so it's 37. So actually, this is an instance where I want the improper fraction. So I take 6 times 37. And divide by 37, and I get 6. So 6 hours. Okay. That's it.